Log into ROS in the usual manner by selecting your DigiCert and entering your password. This will bring you to the My Services screen. You should see a section in the middle of this screen called Payments and Refunds. In this section, click on Submit a Payment. You can now see the Submit a Payment section expanded on the My Services screen. Here you select Tax Payment/Declaration on the Payment Type drop-down list. Next, select PAYE-EMP from the drop-down list of tax types. The next step is to select Post-2019 from the drop-down list. Click Make Payment to proceed. You are brought to the Select a Tax Period screen. Here you can choose the period that you would like to make a payment for. You can select a year and then select a period in that year. Click Next to continue. You are now on the Enter Payment Amount screen. The total will display what is due for the period and reflect payroll submissions already processed. You can enter the amount you would like to pay and then click Next. You are now on the Payments Method screen. The total of the amounts you entered on the previous screen will be displayed at the top of this screen. The available payment methods included on this screen are credit card, debit card, using your bank account, or using ROS debit instruction. The latter will only be displayed if you have previously set up a ROS debit instruction using the Payments and Refunds section on the ROS My Services screen. In this case, choose the ROS debit instruction option and click the Next button to proceed. You will then be taken to a screen showing a summary of your payment instruction. You should review this to ensure that all details are correct before clicking on Submit. If any details are incorrect, you can click the Back button to return to the previous screen. This is the Sign and Submit screen. You will be asked to confirm your password again before you can proceed. Finally, you are brought to the Acknowledgement screen. Your payment has been submitted. You can click the Done button to return to the ROS My Services screen.